Are you doing something you're not supposed to? Well, it's 4 o'clock, guys. I didn't realize that it was so late. Start videoing. I need to figure something out. Like, give you guys something to watch. Yeah, we're not really doing much today. Okay, so Emmy's watching for Chester Hotel still. Evan's working on math problems. That's how she feels about them. Yeah, we really have nothing to record today. We did not do much today. We did school, which you guys didn't think really want to see us doing. Emmy was dressed at one point, but when she went down for a nap, she just stayed in her PJs. Kirsten, drop the socks. No. Oh, Emmy's feeling better today, so that's good. Okay, you gonna stay up here? Are you gonna stay up here? You're not gonna go over to the TV? Okay. You wanna watch for Chester?
Yeah.
Alright, let's play it again. You happy? You're not gonna answer me? She's gonna.
If you add them when you're right. So in this case, what would it be?
You gonna sit in your chair? Can you see it from there?
In this case.
Can you see it from there, Emmy?
Is that 4? Oh, it looks like a 1. 2.
Can you see it, Emmy? She's acting like she can see it.
It's showing
2 is the exponent, but 2 is not the exponent.
Z.
Squared. Z is. So, in this one down here, you have to see
You're so sneaky.
Z cubed.
But the ones I did.
Emmy,
Oh, I said.
you need to back up. You're goofy. Emmy. Come over here.
19, 20, and
Come over here.
23. But I actually did.
Can you do it? Can you do it?
Ding.
Can you do it? Good job. Can you sing? Can you sing, Emmy? Good. Good singing.
Yeah. Go, go, go. Go.
Good job, Emmy.
How would you get
Go, 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 go.
Well, I'll show you why that works.
Go,
What would you
go,
do
go, go.
to get rid of a 9?
Good job. Yay. You did good singing that. Okay, guys. So, I've been doing this thing, and it's making Emmy crack up. So I'm gonna set the camera down and see if I can get it on video. Are you ready? Are you ready? So cute. Oh, he's thirsty getting you. Oh no. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
How many 16ths are in 1?
Okay. Okay.
How many quarters are in
That's right, Emmy. You said no. You said no.
16ths are in 1?
No, sir. Okay, guys. So, Emmy, go back to the mess. You're so silly. Go back. Go back. You know you're not supposed to be that close. Alright, so we found this big bird in the garage that used to be Evan and I's. And now we're gonna show it to Emmy after we've washed it because it needed to be washed. So I'm gonna go get it and I'm gonna see what her reaction is when she first sees him. I think he's in the laundry room, right?
Yeah, I think it's in the dryer.
Okay, so that's Big Bird. He's really fluffy. He's very, very, very fluffy.
He looks a lot better. I thought he was a little bit.
Yeah, he was very dirty. So let me go show that to Emmy. Hey, Emmy. Emmy, look. Who's this? Who's Who is it? Who is it? Do you want Big Bird? You don't like Big Bird? You don't want him? I thought you'd love him. You want Big Bird? How about now? You want Big Bird? Oh, he's gonna tickle you. He's gonna tickle. Oh. You don't want Big Bird? You're scared? Oh, it's okay. You don't want Big Bird? He's gonna give a kiss. Can he give you a kiss? Okay. Well, that's not how I hoped she'd react. I thought she was gonna be lovey on him. I'm gonna give him a hug, okay? Aww. Nothing?
Never does what we think she's gonna do.
Okay, so she's liking him now.
Is that Big Bird?
Yeah, you want to see her reaction to it? I'll have to show you.
She's scared to death of it.
Oh, she's being a drama queen.
That's who she is.
So now she likes him. Oh, she still doesn't want him on her tray though. Okay. All right, Dem. It's about time for us to leave. You're not gonna go to bed yet, but yeah, we gotta leave for youth. Can you do that, Emmy? Can you do that? Oh, good try, girl. Okay, Emmy, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.